Hello, Alex here with Tech Corner, here to talk to you about Google Gemini and how you can go about using it when surfing the web and in Gmail. So let's go ahead and dive in. So I have Google Chrome installed. I recommend doing this through Google Chrome for the best experience since Google Chrome is owned by Google. But you can also do this in Edge or Firefox or any other web browser you might have, including Safari. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking a trip to Germany in the fall. So here's my prompt. Things to do in Germany if you are taking a car trip. Now, right next to the all, you're going to see a thing called AI mode. Now, if you don't see this, this may indicate you might need to update Google Chrome. If that's the case, all you have to do is you click on the three little dots here. You're going to go down here to help, and you're going to click about Google Chrome, and it's going to go ahead and update your browser if it's needed. So we're going to go ahead and click on AI mode, and this is going to go ahead and give me some prompts here. It's going to, instead of me having to search multiple sites, it's going to consolidate that information based off sites and tell me what the best things are to do in Germany. So, romantic road trip, Alpine road, journey through the Bavarian Alps, skirting the Austrian border and discovering stunning scenes, mountain lakes, and spa town. So this is some recommendations they have. And the cool thing I do like about this versus ChatGPT is I do like kind of the visuals, which is really kind of cool. Because you can, if there's stuff you've seen and you're like, oh, I want to go see that, I recognize that place, you can actually do that, which is really kind of cool, versus the ChatGPT really doesn't provide you images, it's just all text. So that is one cool advantage. It even has a map here, which is really cool. So I can even say, okay, Munich. So now it's going to go ahead and recommend me, because I have can't do gluten. It's going to recommend some places for me to eat that are gluten-free. And even it shows images and stuff, which is really kind of neat. So then I can go ahead and click on one of these. If I like it, I can actually save it to my Google Maps and stuff, which makes it really great with this ecosystem. Being able to go here, and then I can say, okay, well, I want to save it for my Germany trip. Click that plus. And I can always come back here and be like, okay, these are the recommendations. And seeing images is really nice, being able to see kind of what you're getting into. Now, let's talk about Gmail. So we're going to go ahead and flip to Gmail. Let's see if I'm signed in. Actually, I'm going to flip to my other Google Chrome here. Quick. This is the Edge browser, but here's an example. So here's an email of, let's say, from a customer that says, I need to set up a computer, blah, blah, blah. So I can go ahead and reply. And I can say, so as you can see, there's a little pencil with a little Gemini logo. If I click this, I can give it a response and say, Friday, 4 p.m. Alright, so go ahead and create this. And what it's going to do is going to go ahead and respond to Tom's email here and answer his questions. So thank you for reaching out to us as a technical support regarding your performance issues you are experiencing with your laptop. We understand how frustrating it can be when your computer is running slowly. And then, it responds with the hourly rate. Regarding your appointment, it tells him the availability and just does a nice little conclusion. And if I want to keep this, I can go ahead and hit insert. And then I can always go back to the email and adjust things if I wanted to. Now, let's do another email. Compose. Alright. And if I hit this, now it's going to go ahead and draft up an email for me. Now that did not do a really good job because that's not exactly what I wanted to do. So again, there is some tweaking and modifications that might need to be done. Usually it's probably better at responding than drafting up emails. But no, it's learning and it's going to get better over time. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to throw a thumbs up. If you're interested in further content from this channel, feel free to subscribe and support it, and click that bell notification to receive alerts when new videos are posted. Thank you so much for watching.